Dear student of class 12, I'll continue with section C. Now today we'll start increasing and decreasing functions in economics and commerce. Now so it is written on the board, if f dash x is greater than 0, if the value of first order derivative is greater than 0, then fx is an increasing function. If f dash x is less than 0 means then fx is a decreasing function. If the first order derivative is greater than 0 means increasing. If the first order derivative is less than 0 means decreasing function. Now we'll do the application of increasing and decreasing function. Now dear student, it's an application based question. Now today I'll start the ISC question, previous year questions. New syllabus and the old syllabus questions are same in this chapter. Now ISC 2010 group C, and you'll get ISC question in your back page of your book. Now it start from 2008 to 2019 questions are there. You can try from your book, the questions you can see from your book. Now question number 14b, ISC 2010, average cost is x plus 5 plus 36 over x. Find cost function, total cost and marginal cost. And number 2, first you can try cost and marginal cost, and the number 2 is a new concept, output for which AC increases. That means AC increases, that you have to prove. So second question, cost function and marginal cost is easy. Now sir, since average cost is equals to cost divided by x, this is a formula. Now from this we can calculate the cost. Cost means average cost into x. Now what is the value of average cost? X plus 5 plus 36 over x into x. Now then open this bracket, it will be x square plus 5x plus 36 over x into x. X will cancel, it is 36. This one is the cost function. After getting a cost function, first answer, then after that you have to calculate the marginal cost. Marginal cost means marginal means derivative of cost, dy dx of cost, and the cost is x square plus 5x plus 36. Derivative x square 2x plus derivative 5x is 5 and derivative 36 is 0. Then marginal cost is 2x plus 5. Now after calculation of the cost function and the marginal cost, now next concept is output for which the AC is increases. Output for which the AC is increases means, now first I'll explain the concept. If f dash x is greater than 0 means increasing, f dash x is less than 0 means decreasing function. F dash x is greater than 0 is increasing, f dash x is less than 0 means decreasing. That means output for which the average cost is increases means dy dx of average cost must be increases means this must be greater than 0. This you have to prove. The average cost is increasing means the derivative of the average cost must be greater than 0. Now we have average cost equation, the second part that I am going to prove. To prove this is increasing means you have to differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x, then dy dx of AC is equals to derivative x is 1, derivative 5 is 0, and derivative of 36 by x is minus 36 over x square. Now then we'll calculate the interval of x. And what is x over here? X is the number of unit of commodities. Number of unit of commodities can be 0 but cannot be negative. Since what you have to prove? AC is increases. AC increases means dy dx of AC must be greater than 0. Now the dy dx of AC is, this one is the dy dx of AC. 1 minus 36 over x square is greater than 0. And remember one more thing over here. X is the number of unit of commodities. Commodity can be 0 but cannot be negative. So we are not going to calculate the negative value. Then take LCM. LCM it will be x square minus 36 is greater than 0. Now by cross multiplication, x square minus 36 is greater than 0. When x square is greater than 36, then we can calculate x is greater than 6. The AC is in x is greater than 6, then AC is this. If x is greater than 6, then the AC is increases, means if the number of commodity is more than 6, then the average cost will increase. This was only that you have to do in this section. Now another important question, ISA 2011, question number 14b. The cost function is given in this question. Find marginal cost, average cost, and number 3 section is important. Prove that MAC means marginal average cost is equals to x into marginal cost minus cost divided by x squared. This relations that we have to prove. Now first of all, I'll calculate the marginal cost. First, marginal cost. To calculate the marginal cost, it is d by dx of cost. d by dx of cost function. Now the d by dx of cost function is x cubed by 3 plus 3x square minus 7x plus 16. Now I'll differentiate this function. Derivative of x cubed is 3x square by 3 plus 3 into derivative of x square is 2x minus 7 into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 16 is 0. Now it is x square plus 6x minus 7. This is marginal cost. Okay, x square plus 6x minus 7 is the marginal cost. Next is number 2 is average cost. To calculate the average cost, cost divided by x will give you the average cost. The cost function is x cubed by 3 plus 3x square minus 7x plus 16 divided by x. Then divide 1 by 1. It is x square by 3 plus, if I divide this one, then this is 3x minus 7 plus 16 over x is the average cost. Now after getting this marginal cost and average cost, then the relations that I am going to prove over there. Third relations that I am going to prove over here. The third relation is marginal average cost is equals to this relation. First I'll calculate, for third relation, I'll calculate marginal average cost. Marginal average cost means the term marginal means derivative of average cost. d by dx of, what is the value of average cost over here? It is x square by 3 plus 3x minus 7 plus 16 over x. Now this is d by dx, x square is 2x by 3 plus derivative 3x is 3, derivative 7 is 0, and derivative 16 by x is minus 16 over x square. Now we'll get 2x by 3 plus 3 minus 16 over x square, the value of left hand side. Now similarly, I'll calculate the right hand side. X into marginal cost minus cost function over x square. That we have to prove this relation is also equal to this quantity. Then x into the marginal cost. Marginal cost is over here. It is x square plus 6x minus 7. Then minus cost. Cost function is x cubed by 3 plus 3x square minus 7x plus 16 divided by, the whole thing is divided by x square. Now then I'll simplify this quantities. I'll open this bracket. It is x cubed plus 6x square minus 7x minus x cubed by 3 minus 3x square plus 7x minus 16 divided by x square. Now then I'll take the LCM of the like terms. X cube minus x cube by 3. If I take 3 LCM, 3x cube minus x cube is 2x cube by 3. Then 6x square minus 3x square is plus 3x square. Minus 7x plus 7x get cancelled. Minus 16 divided by x square. If I divide this one, then separately if I divide 2x square by 2x by 3, then this one will be plus 3 minus 16 over x square. And these two results are same. These two quantities are same. Then we can write, therefore, marginal average cost is equals to x into marginal cost minus cost function divided by x square. This relation is proved. Now dear student, next question is ISC 2017, and this one is the last question that I am going to do through this video. Now remaining questions are not in your syllabus, that is maxima and minima type of questions are not in your syllabus, in this revised syllabus. Now this question is a little bit different. And one more thing, there are some homework ISC 2012, 2014 and 2015. You can try these 3 sums. Solve these 3 questions, then send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. This one is homework. Please try these 3 questions. Homework. ISC 2012, 2014 and 2015, and this one is the last sum from this chapter. Now say, in ISC 2017, the demand function is given. Demand is given 500 plus 25x minus x square by 3. Find marginal revenue. Then find marginal revenue when the 10 units are sold. Now the demand is given, you have to calculate the marginal revenue. And before calculating the marginal revenue, that you have to calculate the revenue. And the revenue is given by P into X. This one is the formula. Or demand, P is given 500 plus 25x minus x square by 3 into x. Open this bracket, it is 500x plus 25x square minus x cube by 3. This is revenue. Now the first answer that I'm going to calculate is, find marginal revenue means d by dx of revenue. Now we have a revenue equation, this one, d by dx of revenue. Revenue equation is 500x plus 25x square minus x cube by 3. This one is the marginal revenue. d by dx of 500x is 500 plus derivative of x square is 25 into derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of x cube is 3x square by 3. Cancel. Now it is 500 plus 50 into x minus x square. Now we have equation of marginal revenue. Now next, number 2 problem. Marginal revenue when the 10 units are sold means x is 10. Since our marginal revenue equation is, marginal revenue is equals to 500 plus 50x minus x square. When the 10 units are sold means, since x equals to 10, then marginal revenue is equals to 500 plus 50 into 10 minus 10 square. 500 plus 500 minus 100. It is 1000 minus 100. It is 900. But this is a marginal revenue is total selling. So it is represented by rupees 900. Now from next video, I'm going to start a new chapter. Thank you.